In this video, I'm going to be testing WD-40 on this faded Toyota Highlander headlight. In a previous video, a lot of you have commented how WD-40 will restore a headlight better than a restoration kit, so I'm going to be putting that to the test today. The first thing I'm going to do is mask off half of the headlight so that we can compare side by side the differences. And then I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a couple days. I will come back every 24 hours and view the headlight to see how well the WD-40 is holding up. Before I apply the WD-40, I'll go ahead and give you a close-up of the lens. Before I begin, I'm going to go ahead and put a big scratch in this light so that you can see that I'm not cheating with this test. I will now apply the WD-40. I will now give you a close-up of the lens. We can see that the lens is a little bit clearer, but there are spots like here where the WD-40 did not improve it very much. So here we can see the clear line of where the WD-40 was applied and where it was not. I will let this headlight sit and dry, and I will come back here in 24 hours and we will see if the results are still as good. It has been almost 24 hours since I applied the WD-40. As you can see, most of the hazing has reappeared. I will go ahead and get you a close-up shot of the lens where we can see that the once visible line of the blue painter's tape has now disappeared, and we can no longer see a visible difference between the WD-40 and the non-WD-40 side of the headlight. Yesterday we could clearly see a visible line in this area that showed where the WD-40 was applied, but that line no longer exists. When I applied this WD-40 to this headlight, I have left this in my garage for the last 24 hours. This headlight was not exposed to sunlight or outside weather in the past 24 hours. As you can see, most of the fading has come back, even though this light has not been exposed to any elements. It's now been 48 hours since I applied the WD-40. I'm going to go ahead and remove the last of the blue masking tape and give you a close-up to show you how well the WD-40 has held up over 48 hours of being stored in my garage. We can no longer see the original clear visible line between the original piece of masking tape and where the WD-40 was applied. So as you can see, the WD-40 is a quick temporary fix, but do not expect it to last more than a day especially if the vehicle will be sitting outside and exposed to the elements. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.